What's up guys, Phil here from Ferris Technology, and today we're getting a look at the Zoom H1. This is one of the best sound recording devices that you can buy, and it's such a great price. So if you want to take your sound to the next level, this is definitely a device to get. And let's go ahead and unbox it and get a close-up look at what's inside. And once we're done unboxing it, I'm going to show you guys two essential accessories to get for the Zoom H1. So let's go ahead, we'll open it right up just like that. And just so you guys know, I'll post the link for this in the description below. So if you guys are interested to know what current pricing is and where to buy it and all that, I'll post that link below, as well as some other links for you guys. So here it comes with a 2 GB memory card. So it's the micro SD memory card, and it comes with the adapter so you can actually transfer it to your computer nicely. We've got some instruction booklets and stuff, but I'm sure you guys don't care about that stuff. So let's throw that aside. And we got the actual device, and we've got some batteries right here. So let's go ahead and pop the battery out. And it is looks like a AA battery that's included with it, which is nice that they include that for you, so you don't have to run out and buy one if you don't have one handy. So let's go ahead and get right to the device itself, wrapped up all in this plastic right here. And don't be confused with the quality of this. The quality feel, it's definitely plastic feeling, okay? So it feels really light, really plasticky, but don't be confused, or don't really think about this as being a crappy device because it's so plasticky, because it has some amazing sound ability. So you can record sound, sync it with your actual device that you're recording with. But let's go around it. So we've got the line out right there. So if you want to listen to your audio, we've got the volume right there. And right on the bottom here is where your micro SD card goes. So if you just slip it right into there, it works perfectly in there. And on the back, we do have a little tripod mount. We've also got some settings that you can change around: low cut on and off. We've got auto level on and off, or you can change it from WAV to MP3. So if you want to play around with the settings and kind of see what's the best sound quality that you can get, you can definitely play with those. And this is where your battery will go into. So I'm actually going to pop the battery into it right now. So once you've unwrapped your battery, make sure obviously you align it the proper way. So we got the negative side going right up against right there, and we'll pop this right back on just like that. Super simple, super easy. We've got a speaker on the back, so if you want to listen to your audio once you've recorded it, we've got the record start stop button right there, handy. And on the other side is where we've got all the other controls. So we've got the little USB device to connect to your computer. We've got the power switch, the hold button. You can trash your recording if you're not happy with it. Rewind, play, fast forward. You can change your input levels. And then we've got the line in, and this one is a key one. So keep in mind, line in, you can actually put your other external microphone. So maybe like a lavalier microphone, lapel microphone, you can plug into there, and you can use this as your wireless device to record. So super awesome. I'll actually throw a link to the Rode SmartLav Plus, a great microphone that I use, and I'm using it on this video on my Canon SLR, but it records great audio, and you can plug it into here and then you can record audio right to it with this in your pocket, or you can actually use the actual microphones on here, which is what this is meant for, to record audio. All right, so I'm going to show you two essential accessories. Besides having that little SmartLav Plus microphone accessory, there's two other ones I want to show you which you guys can get for it. First being is these little microphone wind deflector pieces. You can get these on Amazon right now. They're about 10 bucks for the pair of them, and I'll throw that link in the description below for you as well. And they're just little microphone pieces that you get, and these ones will go, I'll throw that one to the side, and they'll just go right over top here. And then you can actually use this as a microphone. So you can go around, you can interview people and all that. So it's a great use. So it looks kind of like a professional little microphone. So people will kind of take you more seriously once you have that little thing on there. So it looks more microphone-ish, and it does prevent wind noise as well. And if you take it off and you're recording people like that, it kind of looks like a weird sound recorder, which is what it is essentially. But definitely get these. These are awesome, super handy, prevent wind, make yourself into a microphone looking look. And some other thing that I would recommend is also a case for your device. So when you're traveling around with it, you don't want to bang around in the top right here and wreck your microphones or wreck your actual device. So get this little case, super awesome little case. You can store extra memory cards and it's all nice and lined on the inside of it as well. So throw your Zoom H1 in there, throw all your accessories, whatever you want. And this one will even fit in there as well. You just kind of have to squish it in there and there you go. You wrap it up and you're perfectly good to go. Your microphone's all protected and you're on your way. So I'll throw a link to this thing in the description below as well so you can get that case if you want. But in the meantime, that is your official unboxing of the Zoom H1. A great device. I definitely recommend this. You have to check it out. Check the link in the description below if you guys want to see current pricing. But for sound clips and all that, I'll post some future videos. But definitely a worthwhile, awesome device, guys. And I thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.